Welcome sa Profile Optimization module. So dito sa module na to, I will help you on how you can create an irresistible profile that grabs attention so you can instantly stand out from the crowd and spark curiosity. Ngayon, sa modern age, we are exchanging social profiles, Facebook, IG, pero in this course, focus tayo on Instagram. So yun yung magiging social resume mo. So what to expect sa course na to or sa module na to? So what women do when you message them? We will discuss yung importance ng pagkakaroon ng high value online profile o yung magandang profile. Also, ano yung key elements for an attractive profile. Alright. When you message a woman, ang unang gagawin yan is to check your profile. Sure yan. Because she wants to see who you are, kung totoo bang tao, or if she can trust you. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, syempre lahat tayo nag-iingat. So titingnan niya yan kung scammer ka ba, kung catfish ka ba, kung totoong tao ka ba o AI ka. Pati nga siguro ikaw eh. So kapag may nag-message sa'yo na hindi mo masyadong kilala or hindi mo masyadong close, titingnan mo muna yung profile niya. And that's the way it is. Ngayong nasa modern age tayo. What you can do para mapunta to sa advantage mo is make her invest her trust and curiosity. So, kailangan makuha natin yung trust niya and also her curiosity. Because again, ang main drive ng attraction sa mga women is their emotions. With our profile, kailangan makuha agad natin yung trust and also makapag-spark tayo ng curiosity. So, paano ba natin gagawin yon? So, mauna tayo sa pictures to post. So, again, this is sa Instagram mo. Sa Instagram mo, kapag view na yung profile mo, etong anim na to, dapat makita niya to sa profile mo. Alright? So, kung anong itsura mo during your date nights, dinners, kailangan makita niya na may sex appeal ka. Kailangan makita niya yung lifestyle mo. And also, dapat may pictures ka with your friends, social circle, and also optional kung meron kang pet. Maganda rin na ilagay ito. Okay? So, kapag visit niya yung profile mo, maganda sana na meron kang mga pictures na ganito. Okay, isa-isahin natin. So, pictures on what you look like in date night or dinners. So, ang purpose nito is to make her imagine what you look like when she managed to go out with you. Kumbaga, kapag pumayag siyang makipag-date sa'yo, nai-imagine niya na. So, you are painting a picture inside her head. Uy, ganito pala itsura niya kapag pumayag akong makipag-date sa kanya. So, this shows that you can take care of yourself, you're romantic, and you have attention to detail. So, eto, kung ano itsura sa mga date night. Usually, ito yung mga forma mo, fashion, what your fashion look like. So, ang main goal lang naman ito is to make her imagine na, uy, okay ito ah. So, we want to paint a picture inside her head on what you look like during your dates. Okay? Next, you need to show sex appeal. So, you want to show na you have the genes to be a possible mate o para maging sexual partner nila. Okay? Because they choose the best option to mate. So, this also shows na you are strong and disciplined. So, that's why kung hindi ka pa nag-workout, kung hindi ka pa nagtatrabaho para sa physical fitness mo, kailangan mo na if you want to attract more. Di pa kaya mag-gym? Home workouts. Because kailangan to. Okay? Next, showcase your lifestyle sa IG profile mo. Show your hobbies or kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa free time mo. So, you can also show kung anong ginagawa mo sa buhay, kung anong work mo, what's your career, ganyan. So, this shows also na you have your shit together and you are capable. So, hindi ka lang tambay. So, we want to showcase your lifestyle there. So, kapag visit ko yung profile mo, dapat makikita ko doon kung anong hobbies mo, anong pinagkakaabalahan mo. Next, social circle. So, show you have friends. Hindi ka loner. Because this will increase your trust. Kasi ibig sabihin, people trust you kapag meron kang pictures ng mga kaibigan mo. So hindi ka loner, hindi ka lone wolf. So mas okay kung 3 or more, wag yung dalawa lang kayo, okay? So dapat 3 or more dapat. So for me ang perfect number is 3. Pag kasi dalawa lang kayo, medyo baka magdalawang isip pa siya kung lalaki ka ba. So this time, mas okay kung 3 or more. Show show proof na may mga taong nagtitiwala din sa'yo. And lastly, optional kapag may pets. So if meron kang pet, kahit ano pa yan, Shih Tzu, Bulldog, Pusa, Hamster, pwede ka rin maglagay ng picture kasama sila. So this shows that you're capable to give and sustain life. And tsaka syempre, women love cute things. Matik yan. Kapag maganda, pag nakakita ng cute yan, halo effect. Pati ikaw magiging cute sa paningin nila. So again, ito yung 6 na pictures na dapat makita kapag visit yung IG mo. So, pwede ka combination of both. Kung nag-post ka na ng date night picture or yung what you look like in date night or yung fashion style mo, pwedeng next na upload mo is sex appeal naman, nasa gym, topless, pwedeng naka-tank top, ganyan. And then lifestyle naman, social circle. So, pwede hindi naman siya in order. So, ang point lang is kailangan makita nila to. So, makita nila yung pictures na ganito yung pinoportray. Okay? So, pagdating naman sa profile picture, you want to have your whole face. Dapat kita yung muka. Hindi nakatakip, hindi nakamaskara, hindi yung katawan mo lang o yung abs mo lang kung may abs ka. And wag na wag picture ng aso mo para makilala ka nila agad. Okay? So, ang gawin mo dito, yung pinaka-best mong picture, pinaka-maganda mong angulo, yun yung gawin mo profile picture. Dapat malinaw. Next, sa bio mo. Pagdating sa bio, lagay mo lahat ng hobbies at interest mo plus quotable quote. So, ito, for example, rides, handpan, fur dad, entrepreneur, beach, and then quotable quote. So, mas okay ito kaysa wala kang bio. So, this shows na meron kang little personality. So, again, we are capturing here their trust and their curiosity. So, pero remember, all of these tips are for improvement lang. Kaya nga tinawag siyang optimization lang eh. Ibig sabihin, ini-improve lang natin. Kung bulok ka sa totoong buhay, wala din. So, that's why you need to build yourself first. So, kung wala kang pictures na magpapakita ng sex appeal kasi pangit yung katawan mo, you know what to do. Build yourself first. Kung wala kang hobbies, kung wala kang career na masishare, ibig sabihin, baka hindi mo pa hinahanap yung purpose mo. So, what you will do is you need to build yourself first. So, ganun. Always remember na you are the product. That's why the product should be good so you can market yourself good. Okay? Kasi kahit anong market mo, kung yung product mismo is bulok, wala din. Wala din magkakagusto sa iyo. Hanggang textmate lang kayo, hanggang IG lang kayo. Wala kang ikaka-proud. Kapag ganun, wala kang confidence na makipag-date. Again, ang goal natin dito is ma-invite siya to a date and makapag-date kayo to test for interest or to test for intimacy. Kung magiging okay kayo, kung maganda yung chemistry nyo. So all of this, itong profile optimization, it's all about marketing lang. So parang salesperson tayo dito, minamarket natin yung sarili natin. So that's why you need to build yourself first kasi ikaw yung product. Ikaw yung minamarket natin.